Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is February 27th, 2020. This is my 34th episode about 3D graphics, Intel TBB, OpenCL Vulkan using Microsoft Visual C++. In this episode, I will explain how to overcome one limitation of C++ language using generic Lambda. In C++, we cannot create local class template and local function template. C++ 20 standard introduce template parameter list for generic Lambda. By using this feature, we can create any local class templates and function templates. For more information about template parameter list for generic Lambda, please double-click this link. In this web page, you can find the template parameter list for generic Lambda. This is supported in GNU G++ compiler version 8, Clang compiler version 9, and Microsoft Visual C++ version 1922. This version 1922 is included in Visual Studio 19. A while ago, I filmed videos about C++ 20 concepts. By clicking this link, please install latest version of Visual Studio 19 and watch this series of videos about C++ 20 standard concepts. If we combine generic Lambda, C++ coroutine, and C++ 20 concepts, programming in C++ language becomes much more pleasant and fun. Please note that this command prompt, blue background, I'm using Visual Studio 2019. This command prompt, background black, I'm using Visual Studio 2017. Without further ado, let's get started. Start Visual Studio Code. Open your working folder. Click empty space. Click this button. Search for generic Lambda. Hit enter. Click this button. Genericcpp. Compile using Visual Studio 2019. Click this folder once again. Click this button. Local temp cpp. Hit enter. Compile using Visual Studio 2017 or above. Ctrl V. In generic.cpp include talkplay fun, output HPP, talkplay fun, stream, auto, NDL, talkplay fun, NDL. I will copy this file, copy, paste it here. I will close this file. Now here, Ctrl-Shift-P, edit configuration JSON. You should set these environment variable settings. Ctrl-S, Ctrl-W. Void test make object anti-main. Here, enum object type atomic UPTR, SPTR, BCTR, TPL. Template, auto, object type, type name, ARG, types. Auto, make object, ARG, types, ARGS. Or we can use forwarding reference like this. Using ARG types T talkplay fun types type list T talk play fun, remove CV reference T, ARG, types, like this. We made type list using first T. From this parameter list, we extract first type, like this. Talk play fun, types, first type T. We provide ARG types T. If context pair obj type is this type, equal atomic, this atomic comes from here. Then return std atomic, the first element type args, else if context pair obj type equal uptr, uptr means unique ptr, return std make unique, first t args. Please note that make unique is function, so we have to use parentheses like this. Else if context pair obj type sptr, sptr is shared ptr, return std make shared, first t args. Else if context pair obj type bctr, bctr comes from here. Then using element t, talk play fun, types, common type t, we provide arg type t. Then return std vector element t, element t args. We are creating a vector. Else if context pair obj type tple, tple is for tuple defined here. Then return std tuple arg types t args. Now let's learn how to use this MakeObject function. This is global template function. Here, auto a MakeObject uptr 3.14 stream a equal a type talk play fun get type category a, and there. Now I will copy once again. I will create another one, prmb. prmb means primitive type. I say prm. If context pair obj type prm, return first t args, else. Now scroll down, auto b, primitive type b, b, b. Now I will copy this function name, paste it here. We are using Visual Studio 2019. dir, I will make it bigger font. dir cd 34 generic lambda clehsc std c++ latest generic.cpp fe m.exe, hit enter. cls m. Say let's see. Make object uptr means unique ptr. So the type of a is std unique ptr. In case of make object prim, prim means primitive type. The type of b is double. Okay, it's pretty intelligent. Primitive type Thomas Kim I changed it C, 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 C. If we build again, it failed. At this line, it failed. 52. Sorry, I missed one quote. We build again. CLS, build again. It failed. Constant character 11. It's array. So here we have to say decay. Okay. I modified this part. We build again. CLSM. In this case, C is the type of C is constant character pointer. Now, auto D make object SPTR 1.0 over 7.0. I will copy this part. This is D. SPTR means shared pointer. We build again CLSM. Sorry, we have to update D. CLSM. D is shared PTR of type double. I can make more. Auto E make object BCTR. BCTR means vector. Okay, this is vector BCTR 1 2.5f. This is float 4.7. This is double. Now I copy this, paste E. We build again CLSM. So E, this E 1 2.5 4.7. This is vector of double. So this MakeObject function is very powerful. Can we make this MakeObject function using Lambda? Can we? Please note that MakeObject is global function template. We cannot create function inside a function. Instead, we can create Lambda. This is function template in the global scope. Before I explain how to implement this function using Lambda, let's think about this problem. Void test static array int a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We can evaluate the sum of this array like this. int sum for auto e a sum e stream sum is sum, and there we used ranged for. Now I copy this function name, copy, paste it here. I will disable it. We rebuild CLSM. So the sum is 55. Now I want to make it into a function, Lambda function, like this. Auto summation, auto array. It does not work. We first have to decay its type, like this, using element T, talk play fun, remove constant reference T, DECL type, array. We made a type element T sum for auto E array sum E. Return sum. We defined a lambda summation stream sum of A summation A, and there it does not work. We have to change it to reference. Also, we have to decay Please understand that we have to decay the type of array and we have to use reference. We have to use reference for array because array cannot be copied. We build again CLS-M. Something wrong. What's the problem? Let's print out the type of element T and E. Stream type element T, talk, play, fun, get type name element T, and there here too stream type of E, talk, play, fun, get type category E, and there. Please note that element T is type, so we call get type name. E is an instance, so we have to use get type category. Now we rebuild CLS-M, so element type is int. How can we remove pointer? I will create a type function, template, type name, type, struct, st, remove pointer. Using type. Now we specialize template, type, struct, st, remove pointer, type, using type name, template, type name, type, using remove pointer T, type name st, remove pointer type. Here I will use talk, play, fun, decay, remove CV reference T, like this. Now I will copy this. No. We need type. Here, copy, paste. Now we build again CLS-M. Now 55. I will disable this path and also this path. We build again CLS-M. So we created this lambda. As you have just seen, creating lambda like this way is pretty challenging for most of us. This is pre-C++ 20 style or C++ 17 style. In C++ 20, template parameter list for generic lambda is introduced. Auto summation CPP 20. Now we introduce auto n parameter list type name element T. Now here element T, this is array. Okay, this is a static array. The element type is T. This is the element count. Now here instance name array. Array cannot be copied, so it should be reference. Okay, now this is lambda, so don't forget semicolon here. Don't worry about the squiggle. This is C++ 20 style. C++ 20 standard template parameter list for generic lambda. The IntelliSense of Visual Studio Code does not support C++ 20 standard syntax yet. Element T, sum, for, auto, E, array, sum, E, return, sum. Now I copy this again, paste it here. I copy this, sum of A, in C++ 20 style. Now we build again CLS M. So this lambda works properly. This is much easier, much simpler than pre-C++20 style. For more information about template parameter list for generic lambda, please double-click this link from creference.com. Please double-click this link. In this PDF file, you can read more about the syntax. I used this syntax. In this syntax, n, instead of n, I used keyword auto. Instead of t, I used element t. So element t, parentheses, ampersand for reference, a for array. I used this syntax. This syntax is supported in C++20 standard. In my next episode, I will explain how to implement MakeObject using Lambda. This MakeObject function is actually very powerful. If you give more like buttons to my videos, I can create more videos more frequently. By the time you watch this video, I will upload the source code of this episode to my website. By clicking this link, you can download the source code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.